O words, right? O words. Okay. Can we read today O words? Yes. Take your phonics drill book. This is your phonics drill book. Take and page number 5. So what did I teach you? O means two sounds will come. Oo and O. Okay. Please take a look into this. O-O-N. First we will read this side oo words. B-O-O-N, boon. M-O-O-N, moon. N-O-O-N, noon. S-O-O-N, soon. L-O-O-M, loom. R-O-O-M, room. D-O-O-M, doom. Z-O-O-M, zoom. C-O-O-L, cool. T-O-O-L, tool. W-O-O-L, wool. B-O-O-T, boot. R-O-O-T, root. These are the oo sound words. Now look at here. These are the just oo sound. C-O-O-K, cook. H-O-O-K, hook. L-O-O-K, look. B-O-O-K, book. S-H-O-O-K, shook. T-O-O-K, took. N-O-O-K, nook. S-T-O-O-D, stood. G-O-O-D, good. H-O-O-D, hood. W-O-O-D, wood. F-O-O-T, foot. Okay? That's all, children. So easy to learn O words. Please practice reading and please learn the O vowel sound words. Thank you, children.